Hello. In this video I'm simply going to show you how to set up and use PowerPoint templates. Now if you use a layout often, and you may even customize it for your own use, you want to be able to find it quickly. So let's have a look at what happens in standard PowerPoint. We go to New and we have a list of PowerPoint templates provided by Microsoft. But you see they're in featured. I've also got one here called Personal. If I click on Personal, there are my personal templates which I put in there. So I'm going to show you how to put a template into the personal space. So we need to open one up, and here's one I prepared earlier. This is a template that I use for the WP Business Club when we're doing reviews. So I want to turn it into a template now rather than just a normal PowerPoint. So what I need to do is go to Save As and change this here from macro-enabled PowerPoint to macro-enabled template. And you see that there's a new list appeared. It's this directory here, which we can open up, and you can see this is where the templates are going to be stored. So that's your main drive, users directory, your username, documents, and then office templates. So if I now save it with the same name, it will now be saved into their files, and I can show you. There it is in the files. And we can now close the original we came from. And if we now go File and New, you'll see if we click Personal, there is our business review template in there as well. And that's how we put the templates in. But there are a few things that you may come across as problems not working, so we're going to just go into some of those issues now. But to do that, I'll have to switch to another computer. So here we are on my little Asus laptop, and you can see I'm gone from home to new, and that section which talked about featured and personal is just not here. And the reason for that is probably because there's no files in there, it's not being used. So let's just take a template. We'll take that one for instance. We'll create a new file from it. And then we'll say, okay, I want that to be my template. So I will go File, Save As, click on this PC. I now have various places to send it, so we'll go to PowerPoint Enable Templates, and it says we didn't find anything. So we'll go to More Options, and there we are. Look, there's the file we want into there. Just going to call it demo and give it a save. So I save that. So if I go File, New, now my featured and personal appears, and there's our demo, and I can now put more into there. So if it doesn't appear, that's how you create the section for your PowerPoint.